Hello everyone, today is the first day of our drawing class. So before starting any drawing, we have to learn about shapes. And it is also our today's topic. There are basically two major shapes, the circle and the straight line. So let's start with the circle. First, while drawing the circle, draw the above outline. Then try to draw the left side down outline. After that, do the same on the right side. Got the circle? Now we are going to draw the straight line. While drawing the straight line, first consider two dots. Then join them up with a line. Got the straight line? Try practicing these basic shapes at home again and again, because we are going to draw something special from next day using this basic shape. For now, keep smiling and bye bye.